so cute. By analyzing these specific markers on the chart, we can ensure the genetic health of the herd and improve the success rate of the breeding program. They seem healthy enough, will be when they arrive next week. They grow up so fast, don't they?
I know. Let's go watch the little ones play.
All right, come on up. Easy now, right this way.
Welcome, beauties. This pen here looks ready for them.
Right.
Okay, understood.
The foam coverage looks good. It's gentle on the animals and completely eco-friendly.
Yes, the application is very consistent. Scan complete. Vitals look good.
The thermal scan confirms she's primed for harvest. Ready with the shears?
All set. This new gear makes the prep so much faster.
It seems to be working perfectly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, the combing mechanism ensures no cutting, only gentle removal of the loose wool. As you can see, the wool moves quickly along this section of line A.
Yes, the thermal imaging monitor helps identify impurities early on.
Color purity check. White level test. Spectrometer reading. 99% pure white.
Air blowing clean station. Removing micro dust. Ultra-fine combing unit. Beautiful symmetrical comb rollers.
Grade A confirmed.
Morning, folks. Line's running smooth.
Looks busy. How's the efficiency been holding up?
Right on target. Here's the report. Much appreciated.
This lot here seems slightly off spec.
The fiber length is actually within tolerance. Documentation updated.
The fiber density looks good under magnification.
And the specs on the tablet confirm the batch profile. super soft white wool rugs.
Elegant white handbags pause. Wool art, wall hangings, section.
Look at this final stitching line. The tension is absolutely perfect.
It really holds the shape.
Yeah, the craftsmanship here is extraordinary.
Yeah.
This steam refresh cycle is significantly faster than the previous model, as you can see.
The results are impressive.
This machine represents a leap forward in automated textile folding.
And as you can see, it handles high volumes quickly while maintaining precision wrapping.
The speed and accuracy are remarkable.
Absolutely. This will revolutionize our production line.
The premium box folding line is performing flawlessly.
This level of automation will revolutionize our fulfillment process.
Phenol Fragrance Spray Calthrace.
This one is almost too pretty to pack.
I know, right? Make sure it's extra secure.
In a busy distribution center like this one, the camaraderie of the team keeps spirits high and productivity even higher.
Make sure you take these up to the packing station immediately.
Don't worry, they look perfect. I'll handle it.
We love them.